So I got the iPhone 13 Pro. So hey guys, and welcome back to Mikanet. So for today's video, as you can clearly tell by the title, is that I'm gonna actually be unboxing my iPhone 13 Pro. Oh my god, you guys, firstly I want to thank God for giving me such a big blessing in the middle of, all the hardships that we are all facing right now. I feel so blessed having it. And then I also want to thank my parents for being able to get this for me, because this is absolutely insane. I'm actually currently filming on it right now, and you guys, look at the quality. It's just so great, honestly. I mean, then again, the lighting is pretty good too, but you guys, the quality is so amazing on this camera, especially the cinematic mode. So let's get right into the video. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the basic iPhone 13 Pro case. Now, this is just a trademarked Apple case that almost every iPhone comes in. It's just a picture of the phone on the front, the word iPhone on the side, the Apple logo at the bottom, and some information about the phone on the back. To open the phone up, all you had to do was just rip off these two seals on the top of the phone case and at the bottom of the phone case. And oh my god, you guys, I was so excited to finally open this baby up. And ta-da! So for the color, I actually picked Sierra Blue because I was not about to pick the black one or the white one or the gray one. I feel like those are a little bit too basic, I think. But I really like this blue color. It's just very neutral and it's not too in your face type of color. It's like, a nice muted blue color that matches with almost everything, really. Now, once I got the phone out of the case, it had this white wrapper on it. It wasn't like the clear ones that they used to have before that was super aesthetic to peel off and everything. It was this white one, and it had the little figures of what each button on the side did, which is kind of smart, I'm not gonna lie. I also really loved how the sides were shiny. You guys, that's so cute. I just love the shininess. You can see my little face in there, but that's okay. Now, moving away from the iPhone and more into the things inside the box, all we have today is just the iPhone charger string. Apple actually discontinued giving away the block because of quote-unquote to reduce impact and promote environmental stewardship. So it is kind of necessary if you haven't bought it before, but it is what it is, I guess. And they also stopped giving away the headphones, which is actually really sad, but then again, okay. And like usual, they always include the Apple logo sticker, iconic, honestly. And at first I wasn't sure what this little metal thingy was, and I asked my dad. He said it was to change the SIM card, so there you go if you did not know what that was. And here are all the things that this iPhone came with. Now, obviously, the main character here is the iPhone, so we're just going to shoo everything away really quickly. Now, to turn it on, all I did was press and hold the on and off button on the side, and the little logo of Apple showed up. And a couple of seconds after, that's when the hello, hi, and all the languages also popped up as well. And after a big fat minute of just sitting there waiting for all the languages to pass at least one time, I finally had the decency to open the phone up and set it up. And here's my phone fully done with the case and everything. So, to be extra protective, and I actually decided to get a Casetify case, and the case I picked with the little flowers on it, it's so cute, and it just goes amazingly with the Sierra Blue color that I chose for the phone. Everything just ties together so nicely. Also, a tip for anyone out there is that I actually chose the black borders, because let me tell you guys, if you guys get the clear borders, it's gonna get all nasty and yellow after a couple of months or even years. So definitely get a black border. It also looks more sleek, kind of. So yeah, that's my little tip for y'all. But guys, I thank God that he gave me this phone, and also my parents, because it's just such an amazing blessing. And well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!